Programming advice. I wish I had sooner. Get good at Git. Having the skill being able to utilize Git through the CLI is going to be a tremendous skill to have. And the sooner you learn it, the better off, because you don't want to be the person that comes across a merge conflict and you're running for the hills because you're freaking out and you don't know how to handle it. But getting good at Git is more than just utilizing git add, commit, and push. Right? There's more to it than that. Like, did you know that you can roll back your tree from your previous commits that you had before? And everything is actually stored in that .git folder. Everything, for all of your history, is within that .git folder on your machine locally, right? So there's a lot of things that you can utilize with Git, and it's a very powerful tool if you know how to use it. I'm talking about you being able to utilize Git logs and look for specific things within your Git logs. There are a ton of tools that you can utilize with Git that are very, very helpful, that it will be worthwhile spending some time to understand how Git actually works. Going into the .git folder within your repo, just cruising through it and seeing what's going on just to understand how Git actually works, because it's not rocket science. It's actually relatively simple. And if you're able to go inside of the Git folder to understand how everything is laid out, you'll realize that things really aren't just magic. This was something that I put off for a long time, and I actually eventually ended up taking a course in Git, and it paid off dividends because then I became the guy on my team who knew how to utilize Git really well, and I ended up becoming the guy that managed all the Git stuff, and it paid off well.